Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide archived chats on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the WhatsApp application, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. To check, just go to your App Store or your Play Store and click on Update if it is not yet up to date. This will ensure that we'll be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and click on WhatsApp right here to open it. And before I show you how to hide the archive chest, let's just first see on where it is located. So let's just go to the chat page right here by clicking on the chats icon at the bottom part of the screen. And if you have archived someone, you should see this icon that says archived. And when you click on that, you will see the list of the messages or the conversations that you have chosen to archive. Now that you can see where that is located, let's just click on the settings icon at the bottom right-hand corner right here and click on Chats. So you will have many options right here to customize your chat experience. So let's just focus on this option that says Keep Chats Archived. What we're going to do is to click on this toggle button to keep that off. Now, the archived chats will not remain archived when you receive a new message. And when we go back to the chats page right here, click on the chats icon again. As you can see, the archived button has now disappeared. So that is how you can basically hide archived chats on WhatsApp. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.